Okay, this is a video for Chapter 3, Section 7, Solving Nonlinear Systems and how to use the TI-84 calculator. So, let's look at example 1 here. All you have to do is take those two equations and turn on your graphing calculator, go to y equals, and plot both of them into y equals. So, 2x squared plus 5x minus 1, and we'll put in the other. Let's see, x minus 3, and then I always like to go zoom 6. That way it does the standard zoom, 10 up, 10 down, 10 left, 10 right. There's our first graph, there's our second graph, and we can tell that they kind of touch somewhere around here. So here's how we do that on here. On the trace button in blue it says calc, so we're going to go second calc. And normally we like to do a 0, but this time we want to know where those lines touch, which is called an intersection. So we're going to go down to number 5. And press enter. Oop, that was 6. And you can press enter, or you can just straight press number 5 and it will do intersection. Now ask questions. First curve. So I like to get it close to where the intersection seems to be. And we're on our first line, so that's good. Press enter. Second curve, yep, press enter. Guess, yep, press enter. And boom, it gives us this answer. Now the problem with the calc is sometimes it doesn't get us as close as we need, but if it's 0.999999994 and 3.9999999, we're going to round. That's -1, -4. And if you look in here, that was our answer right there. Okay. So you can solve them in that fashion. Let's see if we can get 2 to appear. Let's see, clear that out. X squared plus 4x minus 4. And we're going to go down and clear that. 2x minus 5. Zoom 6. And it looks like a onesie again. If we need to, we could zoom in number 2. And I'm going to take this little cursor appears. Take this cursor and put it close to where I want to zoom into, and then I'm going to push enter. And that should show me a little closer. That's why I always zoom 6 in case I zoomed in last. So we can do second calc number 5. It's pretty close right there. And same deal, -1 comma -7. Okay. Let's see. -x plus 6 and -2x squared minus x plus 3. And let's just do zoom 6 because I had zoomed in. I want to go back to normal. There's my first straight line. And they don't touch, so there is no real solution there. And if we go back and we do 3x minus 15, and we come down and we do, let's see, just in case you can't do a fraction with alpha y equals, I can, but just in case you can't, okay, I'll do that, and then we'll just say clear. You can also do the fraction like this, parenthesis 1 divided by 2, parenthesis x squared minus 2x minus 7, zoom 6, first line, second line. Now this time you can see there's 2 different places. So whenever I find these, I'm going to go calc. I'm going to look for number 5. And where's my little cursor? There's my cursor. I'm going to put it close. Enter, enter, enter. So at 2, -9, and I know it's negative because it's on the bottom of the x-axis. So 2, -9 is one of them. Second trace, intersection. This time I'm going to go up the line to my other spot, run that one, and 8, +9. So those are my 2. You can also go to the table and you can look for where the y's are the same. All right, so we've got 2 -9s right here. When x is 2, -9 is where they're the same. That's where they intersect, so this line. And then if we keep going, 6, oh, there's a 9, 9, and at 8, 9, 9. So the table works as long as it's nice whole pieces or the equations come out to where you can see it in the table. Otherwise, you can run that calc.